Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your recent active time on the Bigo Live app step by step. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to your app store and search for Bigo Live. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version, because some features may not be available in older versions. Once the app is updated, open the Bigo Live app on your device. After that, go to the Me section, which is usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the Settings icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Next, tap on the Privacy option. Inside the Privacy settings, you will find an option called Hide Recent Active Time. Simply turn it on. Once enabled, other users will not be able to see when you were last active on the app. And that's it. Your recent active time is now hidden. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.